Welcome to Sir Majesty Easy World Science channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please endeavor to do so. I beg of you, subscribe and share this video. Expand this science community. Here we'll be taking a look at the qualitative analysis of sodium trioxocarbonate 4. You see the constructive question, a question guide telling you that C is an inorganic compound. Carry out the following analysis or exercises. On C, record your observation, the conclusion drawn from the result of each test. Identify any gas or gases evolved. Sodium trioxocarbonate 4 is one of the soluble carbonates that we have, and it is also stable to heat together with potassium trioxocarbonate 4. So the solubility will be tested. Then secondly, the action on litmus paper will also be confirmed. Sodium trioxocarbonate 4 will turn actually red litmus paper blue because it's a basic carbonate. It's a normal salt actually, but on hydrolysis it will have effect on litmus paper. This also implies that phenolphthalein in the solution, in the aqueous solution of sodium trioxocarbonate 4 will be pink. That is, the indicator phenolphthalein will be pink. Then you will be required to carry out the flame test, of course, to confirm the presence of sodium ion. And in the flame test, that's where you are required to about half spatula of C. You put it in a watch glass and add drops of HCl, then dip the tip of a clean platinum wire into it and hold under a non-luminous flame. The positive result for sodium ion in flame test is golden yellow flame. So sodium gives golden yellow test. So if this golden yellow flame, if you observe this in your inference, you write sodium ion confirmed because it is the ion that gives golden yellow. Other common colors, copper will give you the green flame, potassium will give you lilac or lavender color, calcium brick red, orange red. So there are many other colors. For sodium, it gives us brick red. For sodium, it gives us golden yellow. So now the next thing is that you might also be required to test for trioxocarbonate 4 ion, that's CO3, either by adding an acid direct. Addition of an acid to any salt that contains trioxocarbonate 4 ion will lead to effervescence, leading to the evolution of colorless, odorless gas which turns lime water milky, and your inference will tell us that the gas is CO2 from CO3 2-, or the use of barium chloride followed by excess HCl or equally HNO3. So use of barium chloride will first of all precipitate the trioxocarbonate 4, that is the trioxocarbonate 4 ion, in form of soluble barium trioxocarbonate 4, which will dissolve in excess acid with enough effervescence. As you can see there, the effervescence occurs liberating colorless, odorless gas which turns lime water milky. So these are the basic guide you actually require to know about the sodium trioxocarbonate 4 being a carbonate and contains sodium ion. These are the possible things. Then for the table, for the summary of the answers, will come after this short break. Okay, this is actually the longitudinal section. Am I right with black? Here is the sclera. Here is the choroid. Join our online classes. Here is the yellow spots or the fovea or the macula lutea. Then here is the photosensitive part, which is the retina. Here is the optic nerve to the brain. So that's it. This is Sir Majesty Easy World, of course. We hope to see you. Join us. We are moving fast. So all the parts will be labeled as we continue. This is the cornea. Of course, this is the iris. Now the lens.
Wait a minute. Have you heard about the Majestic Table? It was designed and recommended by Sir Majesty himself. Here it is. The amazing thing about the Majestic periodic table is that it provides a clear and colorful classification of elements from P block metals to metalloids to liquid metals. It also shows the boiling and melting points of all the elements. It also has the unique feeling of electrons in the shells of each element.
Okay, you heard her. The Majestic periodic table was designed actually by me, and there is a chance where you can include your name for that table. It's a wonderful table that I designed. You include the name of the school, the address, so it's an indirect way of even advertising your school. We customize one for you, and it makes teaching of chemistry easier for you. So you just hang it in the laboratory, and all the informations you need will be there. Your job is just to point out. We have the staircase. There are many amazing features. Then you can also join our online classes, with private classes with Sir Majesty. It's very much affordable, and we are here for you. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow the instructions on the question paper in any exam you're writing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share.
Hi, I wanted to tell you that you can contact Sir Majesty for your laboratory equipment and reagents. They are affordable and provide accurate results too. Sir Majesty's word only sells what he knows, and his patterns of delivery are sure and certain. Place your orders today. Thanks for your patronage.